Hello guys, what's up everybody? Yeah, greeting from this side of Kenya. It is Dalmas here. Yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, in the YouTube space I call myself Dalmas the Roofer. In case you are new here guys, kindly consider subscribing, liking, sharing and commenting. Yeah, push your boy here road to 1K. Yeah, so it is a bright day. We thank God Almighty. It is another day, another chance. So we really appreciate everything. In fact, being alive is a privilege and is a gift from God, because even tomorrow that we are anticipating, we are not sure of. It's not a guarantee. You never know what will happen the course of the day. But we trust God that may we never actually end up before we fulfill our dreams. So it is another good day. Hope wherever you're watching this video or wherever you'll be watching this video from, everything is alright. Yeah. Continue supporting your boy here, Dalmas. Yeah. May God bless you for those who take their time to watch my videos. Yeah. So today is a fantastic day. We are actually moving towards our daily routine. Personally, as a roof installer, I want to move to Nyabohan's village. So it is Kubichenge to Nyabohan's to the world today. I've got amazing video. I'll be having a project to one of the YouTubers. So maybe in the case of the day, have amazing video today. Never miss this one. Watch till the end. Subscribe if you even you haven't. Yeah, let's keep pushing each other. Yeah, right here we've got a border guy. When I say border, these are the people who do their the transporters using this motorbike. Yeah, he do transporters to the various sites of construction. So he has been reliable enough. It is now like 2 months with him. In fact, he has been reliable enough. So at least I hope everybody likes a reliable person. When you call them, they are within time, they reach within time, they save time. And that's the thing, and that's the way of life, you know. It is not good for somebody to delay you. Maybe you are going to you have got your own busy schedules, and somebody delays you, you feel embarrassed. So this guy has been part of the team. In fact, it is now 2 months. Maybe he can say hello. Tata.
Tata.
Rambengana.
Hello guys. Morning.
Yes.
I'm with David.
Yes.
I also have a channel.
You also have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
But you haven't uploaded any videos? Or do you have some videos there?
I have a bit video, but
Okay.
due to
You have got a... Do you have a phone?
no,
Oh.
I have no any phone. That's
Okay.
why I'm not uploading any video there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you guys.
But when I will have one, I will continue.
Oh.
Yeah.
Let's pray to God to open doors. Maybe you never know. Maybe within a few days. I hope you are saving something. Hope you are saving something for that, for a new phone, right?
Yeah, I'm saving.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, you never know. You never know. Doors keep opening. You never know. This door is closed today, another one is opened tomorrow. So don't worry that with the time,
Yes.
keep the spirit and upload the videos and everything will be okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Okay, so that is it. So guys, this is the border guy we call. His name is David Mwita. Yeah, we've got also another brother here called James. James, how are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Tell them your name. What's your name?
My name is James Smith.
Sound dog.
James Smith.
James Mwita.
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, this is my brother. This is my blood brother. Yeah, at least we should be going with him with those jobs, at least for something we call there's something that he can see. At least they can train some skills. That's all, some of the things that they can actually maybe he can inherit from his brother, from his elder brother. So at least that's why I do keep going with him, so that he can come up with some skills. You never know, because we are born into humble backgrounds, whereby sometimes it is all about you. It is you and God. It is you, your blood, and God and your skills. Failure to work hard, it is like you are preparing to fail. You've got no godfather, no inheritance. So we come from a humble background. That's why we keep striving. Though it is hard, even the roofing job somehow so hard and very risky. You may even end up falling from that roof. So when you fall, definitely you break, or even you may lose even your life. But I always appreciate God's power, yeah, and my prayers also do keep me going, yeah, because the kind of job I'm actually enduring is very tough and very risky. Because going up there, climbing up there to the rooftops, is very risky. Anytime you're gonna lose your life or part of your maybe even legs, or you may even end up breaking your backbone. Imagine when you break even your backbone on your leg, your hands. That's the end of your dream somehow, to some extent, because you'll be vulnerable, not be having that enough energy to pursue other jobs that needs physical strength. So that is it, guys. Yeah, as always, this is the Kubichanga village. Everything you see here is freedom mud houses and the green vegetations. Yeah, you can also see there's our kitchen garden here. Yeah, this is one of kitchen garden with different green veggies. Yeah, for our supplement. Because it is funny, you are living in the village and end up buying vegetables, and you've got land for free land. You can till, you can grow whatever you like to sustain your life. Yeah, these are the kale. Here we call them skuma wick, pushing the wick. Yeah, so that is it. That's all in the village. That's also one of my neighbor there. Yeah, so we really appreciate everything. So guys, maybe I'll keep updating you on the progress as we are moving to Nyabohansi. So I'll keep updating you, yeah, on the progress of today's job. Yeah, watch till the end. One love, guys. Guys, we are still moving. We are on the way. This Kengarizo village. Kengarizo village is one of the cool villages also. We are looking for serenity. are the cows, but mostly are the indigenous breeds, because that is to maintain. Finance costs are very low and economical. Huya ng'ombe. It's a cornfield. That's good. Blocks are now becoming popular in the village. In fact, soon people are leaving out the normal big bricks for construction, so they speed up the process. So finally guys, we have arrived to Nyabwans village, one of the most famous villages. One of the most famous villages guys. Weka tu hapa. Okay. So what's up once more again, good people? Yeah, we have actually made it to the site. We thank God for the safety. Yeah, so we are here with my boys. At least we wanna start the job right now. Yeah, of framing. You can see these are the frames. They are in pairs, so we have to split them. You have to split them. You can see they are in pairs, so we have to split them, then fix them to come up, yeah, with the required shapes. Yeah, these are square. These are our square. These are one of the vital tools required for roofing. This is the tape measure, and this is the radio. Sometimes you need to actually suit yourself with some good music. Yeah, so that is it. So this is the house. We finally made it here. This is the house. This is the house, you can see. Yeah, most people uses baked bricks. Yeah, most of the people do use baked bricks. Yeah, this is a good house. This is a reception or an entry porch. Yeah, this is an entry porch. Yeah, this is a living room. Guys, this is our living room. A brief tour of this house before we start. Yeah, this is our living room. Yeah, then when you come on this side, this is the washroom and the toilet. This is the washroom and the toilet. So guys, we've ended up. In fact, this is the framing. Yeah, this is the end of the job, and this marks the end of the video of today's framing. This is a hidden roof.